Automating YouTube without revealing your face, free guide. Welcome to the YouTube Automation with AI course. Today, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel to make money without revealing your face or editing videos. What you'll learn: how to choose the right niche, how to create faceless videos using AI, how to design engaging thumbnails, how to write SEO-optimized titles, how to grow your channel and monetize YouTube. Many faceless YouTube channels earn hundreds of thousands of dollars per year using simple videos made with stock footage and AI voiceovers. If they can do it, so can you. Start by selecting a niche you enjoy, leveraging AI to generate content, and optimizing for growth. If you're unsure, just ask ChatGPT for hundreds of faceless channel ideas in seconds. Like and subscribe to receive more free guides. Easily create faceless YouTube videos with InVideo AI. You can create faceless YouTube videos with just one click using InVideo AI. Simply enter a topic, and AI will generate a complete video in minutes. How to do it: 1. Click the link in the description and sign up. 2. Enter a topic, e.g., travel guide to Greece. 3. Select YouTube Explainer and set the duration, at least 8 minutes, to maximize ad revenue. 4. Customize the voiceover and video style, e.g., fun and inspiring. 5. Click Generate Video and make final adjustments as needed. AI will automatically select the right music, visuals, and voiceover. Try it now and launch your YouTube channel today. Create faceless YouTube videos and professional thumbnails. You can automate YouTube video creation using InVideo AI in just minutes. How to do it: 1. Enter your topic. AI generates the video. 2. Customize content. Adjust the intro, CTA, and voiceover style. 3. Export the video. Choose resolution and save. Free plan includes watermarks. Plus plan, $20 a month. High-quality videos, natural voiceovers, and access to 8 Plus stock clips. How to design eye-catching thumbnails. 1. Find high-quality images on pexels.com. Choose bright, sharp images. 2. Use canva.com. Select YouTube thumbnail, upload the image, and customize. Tip: thumbnails and titles are crucial for getting views. Invest time in them to maximize video performance. How to optimize YouTube videos and increase views. 1. Optimize description and tags. Use ChatGPT to write keyword-rich descriptions. Copy and paste it into YouTube's description box. Add relevant tags. Get ideas from YouTube search. 2. Rank videos higher in search. YouTube SEO. Title, description, and thumbnail are most important. More clicks, YouTube recommends your video more. Create AI-generated shorts. Share on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest to boost views. 3. Grow your YouTube channel faster. Promote videos on other platforms to get initial views. TikTok and Reels help new channels. Pinterest provides long-term traffic. Share your YouTube video links in posts, stories, and comments. 4. How to make money on YouTube. Avoid duplicate content. YouTube won't approve monetization. Add a unique intro, voiceover, and creative editing for originality. Use logos and branding to make your channel look professional. Key to success: drive traffic from other platforms, plus optimize YouTube SEO. How to build and monetize a YouTube channel. 1. Create unique content and choose the right topic. Edit videos in your own style to avoid duplication. Share personal insights to stand out. Prioritize educational content, guides, tutorials, higher CPM rates. 2. Monetization methods on YouTube AdSense, YouTube ads. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Brand sponsorships, get paid by brands. 3. YouTube monetization requirements: 500 subscribers, 3 public videos in the last 90 days, 3,000 watch hours or 3 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. 4 tips for success: focus on 10+ minute videos to increase watch time. Promote videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Stay consistent. One viral video can change everything. Start now. YouTube could become your life-changing income source.